Hello dear students. Today in this video lecture we are going to study another literary form called comedy. So as you all know that what is comedy in general sense. So here there is one general definition of comedy. So let us see what is that. Comedy is an entertainment which consisting of jokes. So as you know, comedy is all about entertainment. So entertainment means which has been or which must be consisted with jokes. It is having intention to make an audience laugh. So even if you watch a comedy movie, the major intention or the major purpose of comedy movie is to make its audience laugh. So now let us see what is the meaning of comedy. The word comedy is derived from the classical Greek word komedia. So this word comedy is derived or taken from Greek word komedia. So what is the purpose of comedy is to amuse people. To amuse means to entertain the people or the audience. So now let us see one definition of comedy. According to Aristotle, he said comedy is an imitation of men worse than the average. So he said that comedy is nothing but it is an imitation of men which in the form of worse than the average. So now let us see what are the types of comedy. The first significant type of comedy is romantic comedy. This type of drama involves the theme of love leading to happy conclusion. So in romantic type of comedy, we can see the theme or the concept of love, which leads to happy ending at the end of the comedy. We find romantic comedy in Shakespearean plays. So we can see or we can find out the romantic type of comedy in the works of William Shakespeare. So for example, the first work of romantic comedy is A Midsummer Night's Dream. The second is As You Like It. Both these plays are written by the great dramatist William Shakespeare. Now let us see the second type of comedy, that is comedy of humors. This type of genre is invented by Ben Jonson during 16th century. So the form called comedy of humors is invented by Ben Jonson. So this type of comedy mainly focuses on human character. So we can see here some of the major examples of comedy of humors. So example one is Every Man in His Humor, and the second one is Every Man Out of His Humor. So both these plays are written by Ben Jonson, who is invented the comedy of humors. So now let us see the third type of comedy, that is comedy of manners. This type of comedy, it questions and comments on the manners and social traditions of human beings. So as the name suggests itself, comedy of manners, it mainly focuses on human beings' manners and their social traditions. This form, that is comedy of manners, was popularized during 17th century by William Wycherley and William Congreve. Some examples are given here The first example is The Country Wife, and which is written by William Wycherley. And the second example of comedy of manners is The Way of the World, which is written by William Congreve. Now let us move to the fourth type of comedy, that is sentimental comedy. So this type of comedy contains both comedy and the sentiments of human beings. So here we can see the comedy plus the sentiments or the emotions of human beings. So now let us see what are the characteristics of sentimental comedy. So the character one is the heroes have no faults and bad habits. So here in this form of comedy, the heroes are having no faults, no bad images and no bad habits. The second important character is villains are thoroughly evil. So villains, the role must be evil. For example, we can see such type of characters in the plays like The Conscious Lovers and Love's Last Shift. Now let us see the last type of comedy, that is tragic comedy. This form of comedy has elements of tragedy and comedy. So it is the mixture of tragedy plus comedy, and this form has popularized by William Shakespeare. So here we can see some of the examples regarding tragicomedy. For example, The Merchant of Venice, The Winter's Tale, and the third is The Tempest. So three of these the plays have been written by William Shakespeare. So this is about the concept of comedy, the meaning, the definition, and its types. After watching this video, still if you are having any doubts, any queries regarding comedy, you can approach me or you can contact me. Thank you.